Hey everybody, we're going to do an Amish country casserole. Let me show you here. First off, you're going to put some oil in your skillet and get that going. Then we want to use one onion. Get that all in there. Then we want to put some minced garlic in there. About a good tablespoonful. And we want to saute this. Get it all mixed up, saute this, and let it cook for a couple of minutes. Now I've got this sauteed a little bit, the onion. So we want to put 1 pound of ground beef in there. And then while you're getting your ground beef cooked, we want to go ahead and get some boiling water going, and we want to cook 1 pound bag of rotini. So after you get your rotini cooked, drain it, then take your meat, and it's drained too. Put it in. Want to mix it all up. Okay, you want to put 15 ounces of cream of mushroom soup. Fifteen ounces of tomato soup. Get that all worked in. Okay, then we want to add 6 ounces of frozen peas, 6 ounces of frozen corn, and 6 ounces of frozen carrots. Get that all incorporated in. A half cup of milk. Okay. Now you got it all incorporated in, you want to get your 9 by 13 baking dish and put her on in there. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And we want to sprinkle on some paprika. To taste. And I always put a little Italian seasoning on it. You just do it to taste. And some parsley flakes. And you can either put it in and cook it this way, but we like cheese on ours, so we put mozzarella on it. Probably about a half cup worth of mozzarella. We just spread it out. Like so. And then put it in your preheated oven for 25 minutes.
Look at that right there. Mmm.
Look at that. It looks good, doesn't it? Man, this is creamy and everything. Woo. Definitely have to think. Oh, man. There's some good stuff here. Mm-mm-mm.